Pancakes or crepes stuffed with cheesy mixtures or fruits are quite common. But stuffed egg crepes will surely outdo all the creations you have ever tried so far. Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Passion to Cook. Myself, Shruti Shammi. Today I am here with stuffed egg crepes. For the crepe batter, I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I am going to mix it with 1.5 cup of milk. Mix well until it forms a smooth and pouring batter. You can also use a blender to combine all the ingredients. Next, I'm adding 1 egg. Add salt to taste. And that's the pouring batter for the crepe. Add a spoonful of batter to the greased pan. Rotate pan in circular motion to form thin crepes. Flip and cook until light golden spots appear. Once done, remove from pan and keep aside. In the same way, prepare the remaining crepes. The batter can make up to 5 crepes. For the egg filling, I have taken 3 boiled eggs, which is cut into medium pieces. To heated oil, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seed. Allow to splatter and add 1 cup of chopped onions. Next goes in 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic, along with 1 teaspoon of green chilies. Once the onions turn soft, add the seasoning, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala. Saute until the raw smell of spices goes off. Once it happens, add in the boiled eggs. Add salt to taste and garnish with coriander leaves. I'm going to keep a small quantity of the mixture at the center of crepe. I'm also using a sticky mixture made with all-purpose flour and water. This will help to hold foldings together. Fold from top and bottom, overlapping each other, and also from the sides to form a square. Repeat the same with the remaining crepes. To make the crepes more crispy, I'm going to slightly fry them on both the sides. You can either use butter or oil. Gently flip it with the help of a spatula. Within 1 or 2 minutes, golden patches appear all over. At this stage, remove from pan. There are several crepe filling ideas that you will find in the net, but this is one of my favorite. You can choose this recipe as a morning breakfast or as an evening snack, no matter at what time you serve them. They are simply delicious. So I hope you all enjoyed. Try this out and leave your comments in the comment box. So enjoy cooking and thank you for watching.